Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Instagram highlights. So let's get into it. First of all, open Instagram. Go to your profile page and hit the plus button in the top right corner. Then tap Story Highlight. Select the piece of the story you want to become a highlight and tap Next. Edit your cover if you want. Give your highlight a title and tap Add. Your highlight will now appear on your Instagram profile. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.